Hey guys, Andrew Chen here. I cannot believe I haven't posted in such a long time. Sorry about that. So let me just get straight to the point, talk about what I did today and about what I learned today. This episode is dedicated firmly to my first step into reinforcement learning, which is, a brand new field to me because I have been more on the regular machine learning side. And when I say regular, I mean kind of the machine learning that businesses like to implement a lot, finding the average house prices, I don't know, stock prices, whatever, or computer vision tasks. But reinforcement learning seems to be one of those things, at least in my knowledge right now, doesn't have like a firm application right now. And it's this sort of really open field for application, for exploration, I should say. Okay, now on to what I learned today. So, what I did today was simply implementing a pre-trained reinforcement learning model that someone already trained on TensorFlow. And the objective of this deep Q learning model is to beat Atari. The results were pretty good. My video is fast forwarded and I can't like match it with the exact frame, but you can see in a second the high score is like 250, which is definitely a lot better than professionals, or at least me. So these are all done with the OpenAI Gym. This kind of corrected one of my misconceptions, which was that the OpenAI Gym is kind of seeking the source code behind the game, and then the deep Q learning model learns of the source code in order to make the best model. But turns out that it is completely not the case. This is still kind of like a computer vision's tasks. Every frame or every second, whatever time frame you choose, the current state, which will be the image of the Atari game right now, is fed into this model, and then this model is going to choose based on this state what kind of actions they should take, and we're going to get back a reward from the emulator, and then proceed to train our model with that reward. So then the OpenAI Gym is in charge of many of the processes that would require a lot of not machine learning coding, which I absolutely dread. Now, for example, that would be linking the output of the deep Q learning network, which is the best action to take at the time frame, to the emulator. So we'll link that to the emulator. We'll let the emulator perform that action and then get back the reward. So all of this, at least of my knowledge right now, is done entirely with OpenAI Gym. And then again, the reward will be in charge of training our actual deep Q learning network so that it is going to make the best choices. Now, honestly, a lot of stuff made sense to me after reading the original Atari paper. And then really what helped was reading that one really good Medium article that was on reinforcement learning. And all of the stuff and the resources I used, I will be posting them below, so make sure to check them out. They're really helpful. Like, it's 5 minutes and just like a new door that is open in front of you. So honestly, that's it for what I learned in this video. If you are a regular follower of my channel, sorry about not posting for a while. I went to a 24-hour hackathon, and of course that ended my streak of consistently posting machine learning videos, and I lost my momentum. But no excuses, I am back and only better. Next time I'll probably be implementing more stuff with the OpenAI Gym. My final goal of reinforcement learning will be making one of these you're seeing right now, or one of these Mar.io things that was a absolutely viral hit in the to the public and to the deep learning community of what reinforcement learning can do. So, all right, I'll see you next time.